and it should go perfectly with the interior, you know what I'm saying? So imagine it, just like that, imagine it, you know what I'm saying? So y'all know we got the gear shifter as well. We changed it as well, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't the OEM one anymore, and then this one to me looks 1,000 times better. And look at the steering wheel, bro. This mug looks bald headed. So black wrap to blue wrap. That blue looks so good, y'all. Man, this looks so good. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Come on, y'all. I'm telling y'all, man, this looks so much better. Excuse me. This blue looks so much better, bro. I'm telling y'all, this blue do. And then just, man, I'll wait till we get some driving footage with y'all sitting about right here, and y'all see that blue steering wheel. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now, I told y'all in the past, I think it was like I think it was 2 or 3 videos ago, but y'all see the title, the thumbnail and everything. I had told y'all that I was gonna wait till the next day to go ahead and install the new blue vinyl 14-inch half wrap for my half wrap billet steering wheel, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all do not know, I had got a flame half wrap billet steering wheel. I wanted to get one to match my wheels, but I couldn't really find none to match the wheels. And I wanted y'all to know I want to get a custom set of wheels. So whenever I get my custom set of wheels, then I find the steering wheel to match it, you know what I'm saying? So this steering wheel, it was like $120, you feel me? And it came with the black half wrap. Now the black don't really match my interior because my interior is blue. If y'all look here, dash cover, door panels, seats. And if we move on to the back, y'all know I wrapped my rear deck as well. So, and then y'all know the ceiling, I rewrapped that as well, redone it all. So basically, I'm trying to keep everything matching, you know what I'm saying? So I went ahead and got this blue vinyl half wrap, and it should go perfectly with the interior, you know what I'm saying? So imagine it, just like that, imagine it, you know what I'm saying? So y'all know we got the gear shifter as well. We changed it as well, you know what I'm saying? So it ain't the OEM one anymore, and then this one to me looks 1,000 times better, you feel me? And it matches the steering wheel. It just flows perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this black out, and we're gonna do a blue. And like I told y'all, it's not hard. It's literally just screws just like this with some Allen keys, and I got a few of them, and I also got this set here. So it's literally just a few of these screws, and it's on the back, and it should just be, if y'all look on this one, should just be 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we started at the top. So should just be 5 screws on the back. And then we're gonna take this black one off, put this blue one on. I'm not gonna get rid of this black one, throw it away. And now I'm gonna keep this black one just in case if I ever, you know what I'm saying, ever want to put the black one back in and change out this blue one. So basically I have options. That's the whole point of me doing this. I have options, and if I don't like the way the blue is looking after a while, then I'll change it back to the black, you know what I'm saying? So that's the whole point of me doing this. Like I said, it's just to have options. But this should be a fairly quick and simple video. It shouldn't take me too long. It should be like 10 minutes, 15 minutes at the most, you feel me? The only hard part is going to be lining these screws up with the screws on the steering wheel, which that's not even going to be hard, you know? So literally all I'm doing is unscrewing and then re-screwing it back in. So yeah, and I could try to show y'all. Yeah, y'all see that one. So that's all the screws is. Like I said, it's just like the screws on the steering wheel right here in the middle. So, and y'all know I got the black backing, which I should have got the chrome one, but it'll be all right. And I need to clean this steering wheel, all these fingerprints from me driving and everything. So I'm thinking about taking this car out and driving it today, even though it's a little bit later in the day. I tried to get over here a little bit earlier, but I got caught up and had to go do some other stuff. So yeah, just how it is. So if I don't get to drive it today, I'm driving it tomorrow for sure. Well, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, and I still ain't gotten my windshield wiper motor. I don't know, we'll figure it out, you know what I'm saying? But before we get started, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. That way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this video. I'll catch y'all in 1 second. Alright guys, so if y'all did not know, I wanted to tell y'all real quick before I started working. I got my half wrap off of eBay. So yeah, all I did was just type in the size of my steering wheel, which is a 14-inch, and I said 14-inch blue half wrap, you know what I'm saying, and that one popped up. So y'all know I got two of them. I got one for this car and one for the Cutlass, and you know what I'm saying, it shouldn't have been no more than like $28 a piece. So maybe, I'm pretty sure it was less. I'm pretty sure I didn't spend no more than $50 on this. So yeah, and I want to show y'all the tool setup. So basically all I got is, I can pull this out real quick, hold on. All right, so all I did was use a little socket piece, put the screw part in, fit in there perfectly. It ain't gonna move or nothing. And I'm gonna use this ratchet set to get it off, because I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a lot quicker than trying to screw it off with this, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, like I said, man, this should be fairly quick. It shouldn't be too long, just unscrewing a few screws, and my eyes burning. So yeah, like I said, man, this should be quick. Oh, going the wrong way. I could have used my screwdriver, but if y'all can see, my screwdriver is extra long, so I'm just gonna stick with this. Like I said, this should be quick, shouldn't be too hard. All we doing is undoing these screws. So it's one out already, just like that, that quick, you know what I'm saying? And also this little package came with extra screws if I want to change out, or if I ever need some extra screws, or if I lose any of these, you know what I'm saying? So I have extra screws, but I'm gonna put the OEM, well, can't say OEM because it's the aftermarket steering wheel, but yeah, I'm gonna put the ones that came with this back in here, you know what I'm saying? So all right, two of them out. Let's keep moving forward. Find this next one. Like I said, man, this is gonna be really quick. Might not even be, well, I still gotta screw this stuff back in, but yeah, really fast, because these screws, for one, not even that long. So really quick. There's 3 of them. I got 2 more to do. And it's like these screws weren't even really that tight. There's 4 down. One last one to go. Y'all see the steering wheel already trying to come off. Where's this last one? Here we go. Right up top. It's the only bad thing, bro. I cannot see. I mean, I could have took my steering wheel off, but why do that? You know what I'm saying? Why do it? Why do extra work when you can get around it? And y'all let me see, just like that, steering wheel is off. And this mug look bald headed now. So black half wrap is now off. And look at the steering wheel, bro. This mug look bald headed. So black wrap to blue wrap. That blue looks so good, y'all. Man, this looks so good. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Oh my gosh, this blue look hard. Nah, this blue look crazy, bro. So side by side, black and blue, do like a little chart. You know what I'm saying? From school, you know, differences, comparison, the same, different. You know what I'm saying? A little chart. Black and blue. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Which one y'all like better? So one more time, which one y'all like better? That's the black. And this is the blue. Which one would y'all rather have? Me personally, this blue just set it off in here. This blue looks so good. And this black just make it look a little plain, you know. This blue give it a little bit of life and give it more color. So like I said, which one would y'all rather have? So let's go ahead and finish this up, man. Let's finish this up. All right, y'all put crooked. There you go. There we go. I was trying to make sure I lined it up right, y'all. So all I'm gonna do is just start them all by hand and then finish it on up. Maybe I should have took the steering wheel off. Bro, I cannot see. I can't see nothing. And I almost forgot I was recording. Alright, put these last two in. I can't see nothing. Not gonna lie to y'all, and I forgot I was recording again. I'm so trying to focus on getting this in. I can't see. So like I said, maybe I should have took the steering wheel off and it would have been a little easier. But then I would have had to try to line the steering wheel back up right. Did not feel like dealing with that little headache. But I'm putting this last little screw in now. Then all I should have to do is tighten them on up. You know, straight up like that, y'all. I think I got, oh, nope. Whew, and I'm starting to sweat, bro. It's getting hot in here. Move that black one. Come on now. I'm sorry, y'all, if this seemed a little boring, but bro, I'm really trying to focus because I can't see. Got it. Alright, so now all I gotta do is tighten these up. All I gotta do now is tighten these up. I think I'm gonna take my steering wheel off, not even gonna lie. Because this is getting crazy. maybe I should have just used the screws that was given to me. Keep just moving around. Get it tight like that. So, y'all, let me go ahead and finish tightening this up. Then I'm gonna come back to y'all for the outro. All right, y'all, I finished now, and even it didn't take. It probably took me like 2 more minutes after I turned off the camera. That was only because I wanted to make sure everything was tight and good. You know what I'm saying? So, bro, I'm telling you, this steering wheel looks so good with this blue. Now, like I said, y'all remember the black one. I'm not gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna actually put it in this bag and go put it up. You know what I'm saying? But now we have the blue. Look at that, bro. Look at that blue on there. Come on, y'all. I'm telling y'all, man, this looks so much better. Excuse me. This blue looks so much better, bro. I'm telling y'all, this blue do. And then just, man, I wait till we get some driving footage with y'all sitting about right here, and y'all see that blue steering wheel. I'm sorry about the sun. Y'all know I'm under the carport right now, but bro, I'm telling y'all, it don't feel no different. They literally the exact same material and everything. It's just the color wise. I mean, this one feel a little smoother, not gonna lie. Y'all look up close. See if I can get it to focus a little better. But if y'all look a little close to it, this one do feel a little smoother. This one feel a little rougher, which, you feel me, it don't bother me. It's all gonna drive the same. You feel me? It ain't gonna change the way I drive. So yeah, I'm so happy with how this came out, how this look. Like I said, man, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below. How y'all feel about the blue with the billet steering wheel? You know what I'm saying? And the billet aluminum gear shifter. Let me know what y'all think. You feel me? I'm telling you, I love this. I love this. I like this better than the stock OEM steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? With the little dunk. You feel me? Y'all know I have my OEM one. I just don't have the air horn part that goes to the OEM one. So yeah, that's why I ended up changing my steering wheel, and I'm glad I did, because I actually like this flame. I like this steering wheel, and I like the half wrap blue vinyl on it now. And like I said, y'all know we got the black, but the black will be getting put up in the bag with the extra screws, and we're gonna always have it for later. So leave y'all opinions in the comments. Now we got blue flowing from here to here to here to the headliner. Come on, bro. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm really doing this. This is looking so good. So y'all leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below. Like I said, it didn't take me too long. I told y'all, I quoted y'all at the beginning about 10 minutes, about 15 minutes total now. So it took me about 15 minutes to do, and it came out perfectly. You know what I'm saying? It looked great. So like I said, leave y'all opinions in the comment section down below. But this will be the end of this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you do, turn that post notification bell on all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel and share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. Focus, camera, focus. What are you doing? There we go. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.